Bonjour, welcome to this French 101 lesson. I am Seb, a native French speaker.
Hi, I'm David. In this video, you'll learn your very first French words and phrases, the essentials you can start using right away. We'll go step by step, nice and easy, with slow pronunciation and pauses so you can repeat after me. Whether you're learning for travel, fun, or your first French conversation, this is the perfect place to start. Feel free to pause the video or to restart in order to get the right pronunciation.
Ready? Let's begin your journey into the beautiful French language. Allons-y, let's go. Our first word, hello. In French, you say bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour.
Use it in formal and informal situations during the day.
Hi is informal, c'est salut. Salut.
Use this with friends or people you know well.
How are you? C'est comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
That's the polite way to ask how someone is.
I'm fine, thank you. Bien, merci. Again. Bien, merci. My name is, je m'appelle, for example, je m'appelle Marie. Je m'appelle,
It literally means, I call myself. Nice to meet you.
enchanté. If you're female, c'est enchanté. Our next expression is, please, s'il vous plaît. Repeat with me, s'il vous plaît.
Use this whenever you're asking politely. Our obvious one is, thank you. You can try with me, merci. Together, merci. Simple, short, and polite.
You're welcome. De rien. De rien.
It means you're welcome or it's nothing.
Yes and no. Oui, non.
Try both.
Oui, non. Oui, non.
Great job.
Excuse me or sorry. Pardon. Pardon.
Use this to get attention or to apologize. Then, if you have not understood what someone has just said,
I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas.
this is very useful when you need clarification. Then you'll ask them to repeat themselves with, "Can you repeat, please?"
Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Can you repeat please? Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Perfect for when you need someone to repeat slowly.
Finally, please, Seb, can you learn us to say goodbye and good night?
We say au revoir to say goodbye. Au revoir. Again. Au revoir. And bonne nuit to say good night. Bonne nuit. Say it again, please. Bonne nuit.
Excellent. You've just learned your first essential French words and phrases. Well done. Keep practicing them daily. Repeat them out loud and try using them in real conversations. Even short ones will build your confidence. Subscribe to keep improve your French for free and share this video to help your friends. We can't wait to see you in our next video.
Merci beaucoup, thank you very much, and à bientôt. See you soon.